Biological psychology, also known as biopsychology, psychobiology, or behavioral neuroscience, is a subfield of psychology that focuses on understanding the relationship between the brain, behavior, and mental processes. It combines principles from biology, neuroscience, and psychology to explore how the brain and nervous system impact behavior and mental health. At its core, biological psychology aims to answer the question of how the brain and nervous system produce behavior and mental processes. This includes examining the physiological and chemical processes that occur in the brain, as well as the genetic and environmental factors that influence these processes. Researchers in this field use a variety of techniques and tools, including brain imaging, genetic analysis, and animal studies, to gain a better understanding of these complex relationships. One of the main areas of focus in biological psychology is the study of the nervous system. The nervous system is responsible for controlling all aspects of behavior and mental processes, and understanding how it works is essential for understanding biological psychology. Researchers in this field study the structure and function of neurons, the chemical signals that transmit information between neurons, and the various regions of the brain that are involved in different types of behavior. Another important area of research in biological psychology is the study of genetics. Researchers in this field investigate how genes influence behavior and mental processes, and how environmental factors interact with genetics to shape these outcomes. For example, some genes may increase the risk of developing certain mental health disorders, but environmental factors such as stress or trauma may trigger the expression of these genes. In addition to understanding the basic mechanisms of the brain and nervous system, biological psychology also plays an important role in the diagnosis and treatment of mental health disorders. Researchers in this field use their knowledge of the brain and nervous system to develop new treatments for disorders such as depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia. For example, medications that target specific neurotransmitters in the brain can help alleviate the symptoms of these disorders. Biological psychology also plays a crucial role in understanding the effects of drugs and other substances on behavior and mental processes. Researchers in this field study the way that drugs interact with the brain and nervous system, and how these interactions can lead to addiction and other negative outcomes. Understanding these mechanisms is essential for developing effective interventions to prevent and treat substance abuse. Overall, biological psychology is a rich and diverse field that has made significant contributions to our understanding of the brain, behavior, and mental processes. Its interdisciplinary approach, which combines principles from biology, neuroscience, and psychology, has led to numerous breakthroughs in the diagnosis and treatment of mental health disorders, as well as our understanding of how the brain and nervous system impact behavior. As research in this field continues to advance, we can expect to gain even deeper insights into the complex relationships between the brain and behavior.